Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be changing the oil and filter on this EcoBoost C-Max. This is a 64 plate, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is just remove the cap. This will help drain the oil, and we've let it run for 5 minutes as well. You can put engine flush through these as well. I recommend doing that once every second service. And also I would suggest using Wayne's engine flush, and there'll be an affiliate link in the comments for that product. Costs you no extra, but I will get a small commission, so thanks for helping the channel. First of all, we need to remove this under tray. Luckily for me, this one seems to be already loose. So yeah, we just looks like it's three at the front, one I've just done then, and then one just on the end then, and there's, I assume there's some at the back, but I'll show you them in a sec. There's also three at the back as well. You might actually get away with leaving this just dangling down, to be honest. Just going under the car, and that is the drain plug, and up there, just past the drive shaft, is the oil filter. If we can actually see it at the moment. So you've got the 13mm there. We're just going to crack that off. Oh God, someone's put that on tight. Too tight. And then, importantly, put the oil drain pan up like that, and we're just going to slide it down as the oil drains, so otherwise it's going to go everywhere. So I've just released a book called Don't Ignore That Noise, and it's on basic car ownership, how to pass MOTs, avoid breakdowns, etc. So please check that out, and it'll be in the comments. You have to change these because I've got the rubber washer in there, so put it in and tighten it up to 27 newton meters of torque. Okay, do not over tighten. Also clean around the drain plug before refitting, so you can check for leaks later on. So, drive shaft, you've got the exhaust there, and then just round the back, you've got the black filter there. Multiple ways to take this filter off. I'm going to try with these. So just get them on there, grip it on nice and tight, and then turn it, okay? If that fails, there is a socket you can put on top as well. Get your tray back underneath, and then undo the rest of it by hand. It's probably going to go everywhere, so make sure if you're doing this on your driveway, you've got everything covered with a tarpaulin. It was still attached, just undone it a bit, just so the oil don't go everywhere, so we can start draining it slightly. As you can see, it's already going absolutely everywhere. We've got the old one off, so we're just going to wipe the surface under there, obviously underneath the car, to make sure it's nice and clean. Then we're going to put some old oil around the ring here. So a nice smearing of oil around the... We're not actually going to put this cover back on just yet. We're going to fill it with oil, and then we're going to check the leaks, run it up, then check it for leaks, and then put the cover back on. So there's the drain plug. As you go further back, there's the new filter, and you're going to clean this drive shaft as well, all right? So it's would have got oil on it, so we can check it for leaks later. There's the location of it, nice and easy. Now it's got white. There's the oil. We're going to fill it all the way down to the 1 mark, so we're going to put 4 litres in, and then we're going to check the dipstick. There you go, it's on the 1 mark now. So it's halfway between the two notches. I'm actually going to bring it, put another ½ litre in, just to account for the filter. So before we run it up, make sure the dipstick's in. This is closed, and we're going to go underneath and check the dipstick. Wrong, the drain plug, to make sure that's not leaking. We're now going to run it up for 5 minutes. We're going to check for leaks on any part we've checked. So that's the drain plug, the filter, the dipstick, and the filler plug. We're then going to turn it off, let the oil drain down for 5 minutes, and then we're going to check the level on the dipstick to make sure it's between the min and the max mark. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.